Thermostat call testing requires focused observation to catch intermittent faults that otherwise slip through standard checks. When testing a thermostat call, monitor the control board light indicators and the voltage at the thermostat terminals while the call is made, because intermittent faults are often visible only in real time. Use a digital multimeter set to measure low voltage and watch for momentary drops or spikes between the common and call terminals while the thermostat is commanding heat or cooling. If the board has light-emitting diodes, note their blink pattern and color changes during the call, since these give immediate clues about errors or lost signals. Listen for relay clicks and feel for faint vibrations that indicate engagement even when the system does not start, because mechanical contacts can fail under load. Check the thermostat display for delayed changes or error codes during the call, and record timestamps of any anomalies to correlate with control board behavior. When possible, connect a portable data logger or a clamp meter to observe current draw on the blower or compressor circuits, as intermittent mechanical or motor issues often coincide with control signal irregularities. Common mistakes include assuming a steady static reading proves reliability, which it does not, so always test over time and under varying conditions to reveal intermittent faults. Another issue is overlooking wiring integrity, where a loose terminal will pass a quick test but fail under vibration. Therefore, tighten and flex test wire connections while observing voltage. A third concern is ignoring environmental factors, such as low battery power in wireless thermostats or electromagnetic interference from nearby wiring, so replace batteries, move sources of interference, and verify signal strength during calls. We build resources for homeowners and contractors on bighomeprojects.com that connect people with local professionals for repairs and installations related to thermostats and control systems. We help contractors find targeted leads and homeowners find experienced tradespeople to resolve intermittent HVAC control issues effectively.